Let me show you a few tips on how you can fix connection problems on Xiaomi Smart Band 9 Active. So first thing is your Smart Band. If we perform a first setup, we need to choose a language, after which we can use a QR code, or it should automatically be detected by MyFitness app. But if it doesn't detect it automatically, use the QR code that I mentioned. If it still doesn't work, we can swipe up or click on this information button below and then enter system and go for a reset. Confirm it and your device should reset, which will reset also all of the connection settings and potentially fix everything along with it. So now let's move to MyFitness app on the smartphone and move to devices. As you can see, I'm going with English language, and then I'm going to add my device. You should see it on the list right here. You can click on it, and then it should begin connecting with your smartphone. Now, on some of the devices, you might see a pop-up on top of the screen which will ask if you want to pair a new Bluetooth device. Make sure to agree with it. If you don't see it, you can always check your notifications bar to see if there's a notification like that right there. And the last thing, which is pretty obvious, is to activate Bluetooth. Otherwise, you won't be able to connect with your device. And that is basically everything.